Set and forget marketing is the best way to stay top of mind with your clients without bombarding their inbox. Easy, automatic, targeted, and effective, it offers both text message and email marketing that you only have to set up once, yet continue to reap the rewards all year long. Additional marketing channels such as snail mail may also be available in some regions. Set and forget marketing syncs with your shortcut system, bringing in not only your client contact details, but also key information like their birthdays and appointment information. The system comes with a range of message templates designed to suit your style, which you can further adapt for your brand. Each design theme has a number of different recommended campaigns to choose from, with a range of suggested verbiage, making it really easy to get up and going. You can set up as many campaigns as you'd like, making sure you are always in touch at the right times. For example, sending happy birthday emails without even thinking of it. Or automatically sending new clients an email thanking them for their first visit. Or how about a message to clients that haven't come back for a while, encouraging them to try your services again with an incentive and maybe even a survey. Each email has links strategically placed in each message. For example, an online booking link to get your clients to act immediately to an offer and book right then, statistically much more effective than asking them to call the salon to book their appointment. You can also send once-off emails using lists targeting certain groups of clients from your database. Your Shortcuts marketing list is connected to Set and Forget, so you can seamlessly generate a list and send a mass email or SMS text. With any of your campaigns, you can see the results at any time using the online reporting dashboard. For each email, you can track open rates, clicks on the link within the email message, such as online booking, and even the return on investment for a campaign. You'll also receive email updates with overall statistics about your results, including whether you are up or down in your overall online direct marketing efforts. To see how much money you made in response to your campaign, you can connect the campaign to the checkout process so that you can run a report on your total revenue generated from each campaign. Set and Forget marketing is one of the most powerful services from Shortcuts, as it not only improves your marketing efforts in spades, but it actually saves you time. Speak to your Shortcuts consultant to find out how you could grow your business with email and text message marketing services you never have to think about.